Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make index of project in Microsoft Word from your mobile phone. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just open Word application, so which is easy to access, easy to create a documents, easy to create your assignment, everything. Yes, from my top right hand side corner I can create a plus button, so I can create a blank documents. So using this blank documents I can create my own index page. So from my assignment or any other thing I want to submit to my record, means I need a index page. So index will carry the content of page and page number as well as the remarks. So how to create using my mobile phone itself? I don't have laptop, I don't have any other gadgets, only the smartphone. Using my smartphone, using the Word application, I can create my own index page from the Word application. Yes, so first I would like to create, so first I would like to type, so title, so index. So this is my index page. This text I want to centerized. So how to center this text? I just long press on that and just select here, and from home button you will find an option called center button. So here there will be a left and right and center option. Just select to center, so automatically your document will be in center, your text will be in center, and make a bold. And if you want to increase the font size, you can increase the font size according to your need. For example, I want to make this one as a U underline, so I can make a underline. So yes, so my index title is ready. Now I would like to insert a table. So how to make and how to insert the page? So first I have given the title, I just want to insert the table. So just on the top you will find A and pencil button. Just press the button, automatically you will find a menu box here. So I want to change insert menu. I just select home button, you will find insert option. Just click insert, automatically you will get a table and blank page, picture, everything will be available. Just select table. So once you select table, automatically it will defaultly insert the table 3 rows and 3 columns. So if you want to add more rows and column, means just select, so where you want, you can select and insert page. So here there will be a insert option. So if you want to insert, automatically insert row above or below. So for example, I want to insert row below, automatically I can press, once I press, automatically it will install. It can, how many columns, how many rows you want, you can have the rows. Yes, for example, I have insert the row. If you want insert, you can delete and insert the rows according to your needs. Yes, so now I would like to make this one as a title, that is serial number. So I need to give my serial number, and the serial number should have a minimal size of column. So this is a huge size. I want to reduce the size of the column. So just click the button, so you will find an option called the table menu. You want to go, mean just click here, automatically table menu will open here. So I want to make a cell size, which is reduce a cell size. So how to reduce a cell size? There will be a cell size in your table option. Just click the cell size, and there will be height and width. So I want to reduce the width, I don't want height is normal, so I want to reduce the width size. Just select the width size and give 0.5 and click tick button. Automatically your width, that is your column width size, will be reduced as you see. So I want to change, so little bit of increase the size, means I can give, so 8 to 9, means automatically it will increase as you see. Yes, so this is one of the easy technique. Use this option, you can reduce a cell size and increase the cell size as you see. Yes, so now I would like to add a table of content. So I just type table of contents. So table of contents, I have installed the columns here. So I want to increase the column size, that is increase the cell size. So similarly, just click here and you can get a width. So while last time I have reduced the width size, now I want to increase the width size. So I just give 2. So 2 points I have given, so my width is increased. So my width I want to increase more than that, so I can give 3. So 3 points I have given, so this is sufficient for me. So I can give, so if my title is too big, so I can give around 3.5. so that is according to your need. You can fix for the cell size. Yes, here there will be a page number. Just type page number and you can reduce the size of the page numbers. You can give, just select this, and cell size, you can reduce the size of 1% of cell size. So page number is enough for me. So I want to add one more column here. So I want to get an remarks. So how to add one more column here? So here there will be a table option. So you can select a table option, insert, and you will get a table option. So you can insert the table. For example, you want to add one more table, one more column, means just click insert and you will find insert row and below and insert left and right. Just select right hand side, automatically you will get one more column and row. Overall things will be available. So I can click here, I can type whatever I want. I can type, for example, I can edit here, just click here and remarks or any other things I can add according to my needs. So I have added the title. So I want to reduce a site title size, it is too big for me. So I can select the title on the top and I just select here and I can go to home button. So bold, I don't want any bold, I don't want any underline. I just reduce a font size as a 14. So it's look like a index page. So have you looked? So this is a index page. I can give and enter my overall structure. So for example, I want to enter the text. I just edit the text according to my needs. For example, so I just type whatever I want. I just edit and I can give 1, 2 and 3. So if I want to change the font size, I just select all. So select all and just go to home button and select the font size as a 12 and bold and underline I can remove. So it is a professional way of you can create your own category, own kind of documents, that is front page design for the Word documents. So as you see, this is a mobile view, and once you click a mobile view, automatically it will be displayed over here. So if you want to increase the column size, if you want to increase the row size, I just select that particular column. So I want to increase the row size or any other cell size, means I just go to the cell size and I can increase the height. For example, I can increase the height around 1 point. So my size of rows are increased overall there. So if you want to undo this, so redo and undo this, just select this option, automatically it will be undo and redo. So I can select overall the page size and table, means I can increase a height of my entire table. For example, I just select here, I can give 1 point, so it will be increased. So this is too heavy, so too much of things, means I can give 0.4. so it is good for me. So I can give my table content. So as you see, so this is look like a professional way of creating your index page. Use this option, you can create using your mobile phone itself. You can create your own index page from your mobile phone itself. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.